Okay, hello, I'm Ismael. This is video number 3, where I deploy my bank application. As I mentioned in the first video, the front end was deployed to the Amazon Web Services S3 bucket. Here I will show you the application deploy in the Amazon S3 bucket. So I use Docker containers to create this architecture. The first step was to use Docker in my development environment. I use the Docker desktop a lot to visualize the container I was creating, but I also use the commands in Git Bash and in the console to delete, create, use Docker Compose Up, list images, list containers, which was a process that was a little bit painful because Docker can become a little bit dirty, and when you are new, you don't know how the image creation works when you are using, for example, the Docker Compose Up command. But then I finally realized how it works, and I managed to tag these Docker images to push them to Docker Hub. And once in Docker Hub, I pull these images to the Docker droplet in DigitalOcean. You can see here the name of the machine in DigitalOcean, which is Nuevo Good Bank. Okay, once in the droplet in DigitalOcean, I use a Docker compose.yaml file and deploy this containerized application, which includes the Express APIs and the Mongo database. Okay, that is basically it about where the application backend was deployed. Now I will show you the final bank application. I will copy the URL and I will take you to another browser. I will paste and go, and I will show you a little bit. As I mentioned a little bit in the first video, when you first start using the bank application, it arrives at the landing page. Then you have to log in or sign up. If you are a returning user, you can just log in. Here, for example, I will enter my password and username to log in to the application. If I click login, then I will be taken to the bank application. Here you can see the different components. Here you can see the deposit, the withdrawal, the balance, and the account statement. For example, if I go to the balance, I will see that right now I have a balance of $1,369. I can see also my account statement, which includes all the account movements. Now I will show you when I make a deposit how the balance increases. For example, if I deposit $1, the balance immediately increases to $1,370. Now, for example, if I go to the withdraw components and debit $70 and click the withdraw button, $70 are withdrawn. I can also go to the account statement and visualize the movements that were made. If you can see here that the account statement shows you a reference and the reference number, the date when the movement was made, and the description of the movement. This description of the movement is one that I am inserting in the in the in the API. I didn't develop the functionality in the deposit to include a comment, but later on I will refactor the project to include the comment that the user can write himself. So you can, when you finish your job, you can go to the home page or you can log out. If you log in again, you will see that the information is persisting. For example, here you can see that 2 movements I executed when I logged in the first time. I will do another deposit. This time I will deposit $100. So if I go and deposit $100 and click deposit, the balance immediately updates and the new balance is shown in the account movement. If I go also to the withdraw component, the new balance is shown. I can withdraw again $400 and my new balance will be 1,000, and that is visualized also in the account statement. So basically that's it. Thank you for listening. One last thing I was forgetting. If I would have to refactor again the application, probably this time I would use OAuth 2 using a service like Gmail authentication or Firebase, just for trying a new authentication method. Or I would give the user that option when he is logging in or signing up for the first time. Thank you for listening. Finally, I log out and I go to the login sign up page. Thank you.